back.
We're back, baby! With another vlog.
Well, we haven't done a vlog in absolutely ages. The last time was at Thorpe Park, but we're on a trip to Krakow, and Energylandia is only about an hour away on the train, so we thought we'd come along. This is our first time. And
explore, have a look and see what we can ride on today.
As you come into the entrance to the park, you've got Hyperion, the Intamin hypercoaster, so I think we're just gonna head on to that straight away. Zero-minute wait. Literally, first ride of the day. Is really not busy, so yeah, we'll take you on board. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was incredible. Right, we've just had our first ever ride on Hyperion. What do you think?
I think it's better than the other Hyperion, actually. It's
better than Hyperion.
It's insane.
Obviously, we went to Thorpe Park earlier this year on Hyperion, but that was just mental.
I feel like this is topped it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it was better.
Absolutely freezing though.
Yeah.
Honestly, our hands were like ice cubes, and we had to wear these goggles on our faces as well, which was cool.
We enjoyed it that much. It's a 0-minute queue, so we're gonna have a go on the back row, and yeah, we'll get another POV. Here we go. Die blue! You ready?
Yeah.
Right, our second ride of the day. Space Booster. Let's take you on board. Here we go. Oh God. I mean, you get a great view of the park. Oh my God. Whoa! Wow! Oh! What the? That wind! Oh my God! Oh! Wow! Whoa! What a weird sensation! Oh. 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 So we've just been on, I think it's Space Booster, and for me it's a little bit too much.
I really enjoyed it. I mean, I like them kind of rides anyway, but I've never been able to go on it because I've never really had anyone that likes it.
We definitely need to warm up because it is absolutely freezing. But yeah, the Winter Kingdom decorations are very nice to be fair. I'm
excited to see it during the night.
Yeah. We're going to make our way over now to Formula, which is a Vekoma launch coaster. Yeah, we haven't been on any of the new gen Vekoma rides, and I've heard good things about it as it goes past there. So yeah, it's a 0 minute wait, pretty much everything's 0 minute wait, so we're going to take you on board now, and yeah, let's go. Here we go. No. Yeah! Woo! Oh wow, so smooth. Oh. Wow. Short but sweet.
Yeah, short sweet. Oh my god, the butterflies I got. You know, like the belly flutters.
So we've just been on Formula, and yeah, it was really impressive. I enjoyed that.
Yeah, we said it was short but sweet, but the launch was good.
Yeah, I mean, it's like I say, it's the new gen Vekoma ride. It was absolutely butter smooth.
Smooth as butter.
Smooth as butter, yeah. So yeah, no, I really enjoyed that. I think we need more Vekomas in the UK, especially the new ones, like I say. But yeah, I think we're gonna go and get a mulled wine, and then maybe head over towards the other side of the park, and head over to Zadra. Seeing as it's right next to Formula, we're gonna head on to RMF Dragon. Supposedly quite intense, so for a family coaster, so yeah, we'll give it a go. Right, so we're going to head over on to Mayan, which is a Vekoma SLC. Obviously we've got Infusion, which is a clone, I believe, at Blackpool Pleasure Beach in the UK. They've not got the best reputation. They are a little bit rough, but I mean, it's a 0 minute queue again, so yeah, we're going to give it a go. Here we go. rough. The Winter Kingdom decorations are looking really nice. We're in the other half of the park, so we're in the back end of the park, and I mean the theming just straight away looks so much better. But yeah, as you can see, Zadra, we're gonna head over there now, and I think this is the thing that I've been looking forward to the most. I don't think that kid like enjoyed whatever it's just been on, but yeah, we're gonna head over onto Zadra.
See what it's all about.
I cannot wait. 0 minute wait for Zadra. The queue line is absolutely massive. It's very hard to get to, but yeah, we're going to make our way around now. Paige, you excited?
Oh.
Here we go. First ride on Zadra. Here we go. Yeah! Wow! So we've just had a ride on Zadra for the first time. What did you think of that?
I'm wondering if it's maybe one of my favourite rides, you know, like ever.
That's easily. I think that's probably my #1 roller coaster. I mean, we haven't done that many.
Been on.
Yeah. I mean, we haven't done that many. I think obviously you've got Hyperion UK, Hyperion here, and now Zadra. It's just
phenomenal.
It's relentless. You get flung about in your seat. It's great. Obviously, it's the winter event here. Paige has got a mulled wine, but yeah, they've got all the decorations and stuff like that. It's starting to go dark, so yeah, it looks really nice. Like this back half of the park is actually much nicer. It actually feels like a theme park compared to the front. But yeah, I'm excited to get some night rides. So we've just made our way into Sweet Valley, which is their, I think, new for 2024 area, an actual themed area, obviously mainly focused at kids, but they do have the Choco Chip Creek mine train, which yeah, we're gonna have a look at. So we actually just walked past the entrance to Choco Chip Creek, but yeah, we're gonna make our way onto it now. And yeah, it's a cute little area, this. Paige, what do you think of Sweet Valley?
Nice.
It's nice, isn't it? It's obviously kids orientated, but yeah, it's nice. Creeping up this lift hill. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Right, so that concludes our day at Energylandia. We haven't got many nighttime footage just because you can't even see anything.
Yeah, you can't. It would be pointless if we were.
Yeah, but it's absolutely freezing now. We've had a really good day. What have you thought of it?
I thought it was amazing. I had such a good time.
Yeah.
Sad to be leaving, but I'm sure we'll be back at some point in the future.
Yeah, hopefully when it's a bit warmer and all the rides are open. But
Definitely.
yeah, thanks for watching and see you later.
See you later.
Bye.